Welcome to this video tutorial which highlights various navigation elements in the Practice Improvement section of the new ABOG portal. If you'd like to search for and complete your Practice Improvement activity for the year, there are two ways to get there. By clicking on the Practice Improvement graphic under your dashboard, or by clicking on the Practice Improvement task found under Certification Tasks. Remember, you only have to complete one Practice Improvement activity each year. You can search for an activity by category or by keyword. All of the activities listed in the categories on this page are considered approved activities and available for you to pursue. You may choose modules from a variety of clinical topics, or you may submit participation documents for any approved external quality improvement or simulation activities. When you expand one of the categories, you can view more information about an activity by clicking on the title. If you'd like to save an activity or several activities to read through later, just click on Bookmark in the display box. If you'd rather start the activity right away, click on Start. Once you submit your first answer for an activity, you cannot deselect it to start a different one. If you've chosen to bookmark an activity or you have started but not completed an activity, to get to it, just click on the Bookmarked Activities button found above the filters. In this section, you'll see any activities you've saved to view, and you can locate an activity that is in progress. Once you've completed an activity, it will remain here under Completed, so you can reference it later if needed. All activities you have completed in your current cycle will also be listed here. You can remove activities from your Bookmarked Activities section by clicking on Remove. To get back to the Find Activities page, just click on the Find More Activities button in the top right corner. To return to the portal dashboard, click on the portal logo in the top left corner of the page, or use the button in the menu in the top right corner. This concludes our video tutorial about the Practice Improvement section in the new ABOG portal. If you'd like to watch other tutorials about the new portal, visit the links below in the description of this video or visit our YouTube channel.